Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over what is Klarna and how does Klarna work. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've started to hear about this app called Klarna. How does it actually work? Now, essentially what Klarna is that it's a buy now, pay later service that lets you split your purchases into different installments. And these installments are interest free, so you pay later. And it kind of functions as some sort of like short term loan or credit option. So essentially, what you do, for example, is that if you shop at Nike or Macy's or Walmart and you select Klarna at checkout, you'll get instant approval after a soft credit check. And then you essentially manage these payments via the app. So Klarna basically, there's a lot of different items that you can buy in Klarna, such as switches, gift cards, and even more. And it's crazy to think that a lot of this actually ends up being interest free. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what is Klarna and how does it work. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.